actually believe that this might be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see the skills competition. So we flew up from DC, and we're just here for this, and then we go home tomorrow.
I just want to see Ovechkin playing, doing some skills like hardest shot competition, all that.
It's been pretty exciting. I mean, there's people everywhere, there's pirates.
We've actually been on vacation at Disney all week. So with this being at the end of the week, we figured it'd be good to come over here and support the Caps All-Stars and coaching staff here at the event. Any chance we get to cheer on the Caps in any way, we want to do it.
No forward has won hard shot since 2002. You know who it was? Russian.
Played with him better?
Yeah. That was the last forward who's won it. It's all been teammates. What are you going to do, man?
But I'll try.
I guess yesterday I got here at like 6 in the morning just to come see basically Ovechkin, and but I'm definitely, yeah.
Caps! Go Caps!
He's one of my friends' kids. I promised him like if I'm gonna make All-Star, I'll bring him and he will skate.
Now I'm right in front of you guys' face.
Hey, awesome. Pass it to Sid. Nervous. Playoffs game.
Okay, Nashville, everybody cracked 100 because they let us skate in from like the red line.
Oh, okay.
Now they only let you skate in from the blue. Good coach, Barry, huh?
Yeah.
Good. He's good? Good, well, keep it up. Keep leading.
Yeah, yeah, you too, man. Not bad. Pulse, I'm shaking. Huh?
The grade 8 was the great 98.8 until that final shot. You broke 100. You said that was your goal, Alex.
Yeah, I tell the boys I was a little nervous before that, like before the game, so happy to get the win.
So, that was unexpected.
No. Yeah, honestly, like I was nervous, and I felt like I tell Greeny and Lonk was telling.
So I think after your first one, 98.8, you had already won, but you did another one because you wanted to see if you could break 100?
Yeah, why not? You know? And I did. I was pretty happy.